So I think we are going. We are back to point one. We just went around without even understand. we we got spitted out again from the same district.
The candies, so
So
again, the candies. Italy is bacio. Bacio means kiss. So bacio means kiss kiss. And here is the huge cookies, like almost like
yes,
a cake with the
full of
written.
this Gianduia, because anyway, Liguria is also bordering Piedmont, so there are coming things also from the Piedmont.
And gianduia, by the way, is like the chocolate without the chocolate, because in the past, it's coming from the Turin, this thing that the Italian chocolatiers, chocolate masters, when they forbid to import the chocolate, they replaced the chocolate with the hazelnuts, and came out this amazing product, which is called gianduia, kind of chocolate, but with the hazelnuts.
So somehow we've been spitted out from this little quarter. We are not back exactly the same point, but we are more or less where we started, and now we will try to re-enter again. And so
I don't know, guys. I think you are losing Evija, because I will sit to eat something. There is such a sense. There is the cakes, the focaccia, the. Polly, I made myself hungry. You know what is the good and bad part of the Heygo? You can only see, I can also feel the sense. They're damn good. Anyway, looking on the people, nobody is rushing anywhere. Everybody is sitting and just enjoying the Friday.
So this one is selling leather, Italian leather, doing actually things inside. Look at all the belts.
And the shop in general.
For instance, these shops in Milan, we are really missing them because they could have been in the past. Now there are all these name brands in Milan. Here, what you can see, all these colors are actually leather belts. So
And,
there is any color, any size, and there is the guy making them
yes,
inside.
if you come to this shop, you just choose whatever you want, what color, and they will custom made for you. And they won't cost you the fortune. It will be around 30, 40 euros in the end. So the good leather made in Italy belt.
Plus, you see that they sell the rubber or the leather for the soles, or so if you need to repair, fix yourself the shoes and so on. So these shops in Milan, they totally disappeared.
So, Polly, you're saying we can do it even more? The Polly is saying one of the Paris guides is total foodie and is kind of making crazy everyone. So we can do it even more, Polly. Okay, we can go, we can show more.
Okay. So let's go to see that tower. Then we will try to go back again.
Hello, Giordana. So as you can see, there is a really mix of different styles, the buildings. The Genova is really a working city. There are so many people that are working in the industries, also not particularly maybe also the rich ones. So you can find a lot of accommodations, let's say, in these popular homes. And then, of course, noble palaces. And before I said that Genoa is not flat, and now I feel it with my legs. If you
we
feel,
keep going up and down.
if you feel our voice a bit not even, it's because we are going up again. Hello, Amy. And just like that, one of the city gates, the old city gates. For me, it looks at medieval times. So definitely before the 15th century.
Yeah, there are pieces here and there of the city, leftovers.
Hello, Amy. Nice to see you. Sam, no worries. We are still here and have a nice
Wow,
meeting.
dedicated to Memphis. Are you still here with us?
Sometimes I think we live in some parallel reality. We talk about the things and then they pop out.
Where is our Memphis? Me- I hope that Memphis is still with us.
Looks almost live.
Thank you, Polly. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you.
And right next to these two towers, there is the trattoria or the restaurant that has the very particular name, Trattoria alle Due Torri. So the restaurant next to the two towers. Such a typical Italian thing of these names. Oh, we still have Australia joining. Hello, Australia. Hello, Jen. So unfortunately, from these medieval parts or the walls, there is just the pieces left, like here is these two towers, but not the wall itself.
Casa di Colombo, guarda. Chissà quanto.
What,
Chiediamo quanto è lontana.
I think it's here, if I remember correct. Out of the olive trees, I think it's here.
It's here.
Ah, here, eccola.
Here,
So,
here. We finally found it. We found it with
wasn't on our plans, but you know,
Yes.
with us, we always find the best things. So, 1451 in Genoa, born Cristoforo Colombo, and this is
So it's not Spanish. Okay.
Although Spanish, I don't know, like they like to
it's not
take
Spanish.
him. So this is his home where he has been born. Unfortunately, nowadays there is just these colonnades left, so not actually the home itself. Let's say that the ruins is left, but this is exactly the place where in 451 Cristoforo Columbus were born.
So now we get close to some plaque that it shows here. Chiostro di Sant'Andrea. Qua.
Yes, still I know because Genova time by time is taken over by the guides.
Where is the
Around here there was the home somewhere, the leftovers.
leftover? Okay,
Yeah,
now
so-
this is the Chiostro di Sant'Andrea.
But
okay.
around here was the home that you don't see anymore. Like
Okay,
there was
okay.
just
Now we will see. Let me see here. Chiostro di Sant'Andrea. 1 second. If there is anything in English, no. So it's the 1900. Databile, la chiesa monastica databile, secondo il tempo all'inizio del 1000. So this is from the beginning. Sorry, because I'm reading. So there is this is medieval cloister.
so this is the area of the Columbus.
Okay,
Where's the
okay.
sorry. The olive trees, yes, they are the olive trees.
Let's go on the other side that there are no people, so we can take a better postcard. Okay, so this is pure with no one inside. Via, Evia.
So beautiful pictures.